How to enable or disable silence notifications while driving on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on safety and emergency. Then go down and tap on silence notifications while driving. At the top, tap on silence notifications while driving. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now at the bottom here it says to limit interruptions like calls and text messages, your device can automatically turn on Do Not Disturb when you're driving. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.